A drug is completely dissolved in. मॅम आवाज येतोय?
Oh, you continue.
Solubility is the ability of one substance to fully dissolve in another substance under specified conditions.
Define solid state. Define solid state.
solid state have a definite shape size.
Ganesh, start your camera.
केलाय स्टार्ट मॅम.
स्क्रीन दिसत नाही तुमची.
स्टार्ट केलाय मॅम.
No. You are not visible in my screen. Row number 10.
हाँ ma'am.
Tell me about
Substance
define
that
solid
have
state.
solid state, a substance that have definite shape, size, volume.
Okay, Ganesh, now you are visible. Define liquid state.
Liquid state have a definite vacuum, but not fixed shape and size.
Why?
Yes, ma'am.
Because
Why
of
they
in
don't have a
liquid,
definite shape and size.
Liquid la definite volume, but not fixed shape and size.
Why? What is the
मॅडम
reason?
इंटरमॉलिक्युलर फोर्स लिक्विड मध्ये जास्त असतं आणि सॉलिड मध्ये ते लिक्विड मध्ये कमी असतं, सॉलिड मध्ये जास्त.
Okay. Tell me the intermolecular names of intermolecular forces involved in liquid state.
Van der Waals force.
Okay. Okay, tell me the terms according to the percentage. Solubility terms according to the percentage.
Percent weight by weight, percent volume by volume, percent weight by volume.
Explain three. Explain all three.
हॅलो मॅम.
Percent weight by weight. 1 gram of solvent in a 100 gram of solution. And volume, percent volume by volume, 1 ml of volume in a 100 ml of solution. And percent weight by volume, 1 gram of solute in a 100 ml of solution.
Row number 10, is it right?
पहिला आहे ना, त्यामध्ये ग्रॅम ऑफ सोल्युटिंग 100 ग्रॅम ऑफ सोल्युशन असे.
1 gram of
Volume by volume. Tell me the volume by volume.
ml of soluting 100 ml of solution.
Okay. Send your attendance in chat box and you both left now.
हॅलो मॅम.
बोला.
15 रोल नंबर राहिले.
ठीक आहे. रोल नंबर 15 and 17. Start your camera.
मॅडम रोल नंबर 14.
राहिलाय का? ठीक आहे. रोल नंबर 14 and 15. Start your camera.
Yes, ma'am.
Suraj,
Yes, madam.
how many states of matter are present?
3 state, madam. सॉलिड लिक्विड आणि गॅस.
Enlist them. Enlist them.
काय म्हणलं की मॅडम?
Enlist them. What are the names of states? Okay, what is vapor pressure? What is melting point? What is eutectic mixtures? What is solubility?
Solubility,
Eutectic
ability of
mixture is
one
defined
substance,
as eutectic mixture is
substance to
defined
fully
as a mixture of
dissolved in
two or
another
more
substance
components
under
which usually do not
specified
interact
condition
to form
is
a
called
new chemical
solubility.
compound.
तर दोघं एका वेळेला सांगितलं.
बरं मी सांगतो.
मला कसं कळायचं कोणाला येते?
Solubility, ability of one substance to fully dissolved in another substance under specified condition is called solubility.
वाचून दाखवते का सूरज?
नाही मॅडम,
खरं खरं
खरं खरं.
कॅमेरा टर्न करा बघू. ठीक आहे. ऐश्वर्या,
Yes, ma'am.
tell me the mechanism of solid solvent interaction.
काय मॅडम? रिपीट करा क्वेश्चन.
Mechanism of solid solvent interaction.
Mechanism of solvent interaction is
Solid solvent both. If you don't know, येत नसेल तर सांगा पटकन, जास्त वेळ घालवू नका. डाटा लिमिटेड आहे. बाकीच्यांची वाय बघायची आहे. येत नसेल तर क्लिअरली सांगा.
dipole induced dipole interaction.
I'm asking you solute solvent interaction. Okay, you left now. Send your attendance in chat box.
Wow.
Roll number 17 and 18. Start
Yes,
your
ma'am.
camera. Roll number 19 and 20. Start your camera.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. You four have each question and you have to answer them. चौघांना 4 क्वेश्चन विचारले जातील, त्याचे आन्सर्स आली पाहिजे. ठीक आहे. What is solubility? Roll number 17. What is solubility?
Solubility is the
Ravina, start your camera.
केलं ma'am, start केलं.
Continue.
Solubility is the ability of one substance is fully dissolved in another substance.
Roll number 17. Roll
Yes,
number
ma'am.
18. Okay, roll number 18. Start your camera.
Yes, ma'am.
Tell me the solute solvent interactions.
No, ma'am.
Roll number 18. What is binary
Ma'am.
solutions?
Solution which has contained two components.
Tell me the definition, diffusion principle used in biological systems.
The spontaneous process of mass transfer of individual molecules of a substance.
Roll number 19.
Yes,
Tell me
ma'am.
the eutectic mixtures.
mixture of two or more components when usually do not interact to form a new chemical component.
Row number 20, what is eutectic mixtures?
Eutectic mixture is defined as two or more components which do not interact to form the other component.
Which book you have to refer now?
No, ma'am, notes.
दांडगे सरांनी दिलेल्या.
Ha, yes, ma'am.
ठीक आहे. What is relative humidity? Row number 17.
Yes, ma'am.
What is relative humidity?
Relative humidity is the ratio of water droplets in air and saturated saturated air into 100.
Row number 18. Row number 18.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
What is miscible liquids? Okay. Anyone? You? Okay. तुमच्या चौघांपैकी कोणीही एकाने मला आन्सर द्यायचं. What are the applications of solubility?
It is used in
Selection of solvent, preparation of polarity scale, chemical kinetic determination.
Okay. You four left now and send your attendance in chat box. Row number 21, 22, 23, and 24. Start your camera. Row number 21 to 24. Start your camera. Row number 21. 22.
Yes, ma'am.
23.
Yes, ma'am.
24. Where is roll number 24? Mark as absent. Okay, what is buffer?
Buffer are the solution to resist change in pH.
What is pH?
pH is potent hydrogen and it is used in acid base to detection acidity and basicity.
What are the isotonicity?
Isotonicity, don't know, ma'am.
What are the applications of buffer?
Detection of acidity and basicity to maintain acid base balance.
Okay, what is pH?
Potent hydrogen, ma'am.
You stop. Akash, what is pH?
pH is used to detect the acidity and basicity of the substance. Basicity.
Row number 24.
Yes, ma'am.
What is pH?
pH is a substance which is used to resist the change in pH and it is used to detect acidity and basicity.
What is diffusion principle? 22.
Yes, ma'am.
Diffusion principle in biological system.
It is a spontaneous reaction of mass of a particular individual substance, and it is caused by the random molecular motion and concentration gradient.
Okay, send your attendance in chat box and left now. Row number 25, 26, 25,
ma'am.
26, 27, 28.
Yes, ma'am.
Start your camera. What is sublimation?
Sublimation is in a process in which solid directly converted into gaseous form is called sublimation.
Hello, ma'am.
What is surface free energy? Tell me about the dissociation constant.
Dissociation constant is defined as a tendency of the solute in solution to dissociate into ions.
What is refractive index?
Refractive index is the ratio of change in
Hello, ma'am.
light in empty space to
Bola.
ratio.
Refractive index is the velocity of light in two different medium. Ratio of velocity of light in two different medium.
What is dipole-dipole moment?
It is the ratio of magnitude of the charge to the distance between them.
What is euteric mixtures?
Euteric mixture is the mixture of two or more components which usually do not interact, but they at a ratio they can be crystallizes.
Okay. You four left now and send your attendance in chat box. Roll number 29, 30, 31, 32. Start your camera. Roll number 29,
Yes, ma'am.
30,
Yes, ma'am.
31,
Yes, ma'am.
32.
Yes, ma'am.
Roll number 29.
Yes, ma'am.
Factors affecting solubility of drugs.
Factors affecting solubility of drugs is temperature, pH,
Pressure.
and the particle size.
Okay, tell me how to affect the temperature for solubility of drug.
When temperature increases, solubility also increases.
And what about pressure?
When pressure increases, solubility also increases.
Decrease. Increases.
What about pH?
pH
pH is the measurement of the
like
level of or alkali in a substance.
Okay, tell me anyone. Raoult's law.
Boyle's law.
Raoult's law is partial pressure of a gas is equal to mole fraction
Boyle's law is
multiplied by mole fraction multiplied by pressure of pure gas.
Mole fraction.
So what is real solutions?
Real solutions are a non-ideal solution which does not obey Raoult's law.
Okay, you four left now and send your attendance in chat box. Roll number 33,
Yes, madam.
34,
yes, madam.
35 and 36. Start your camera. $33,
Yes, madam.
34,
Yes, ma'am.
35,
Yes, ma'am.
36. Where is
Yes, ma'am.
36?
Present, ma'am.
Okay. Define solid state.
Solid state बघ कुठे आहे.
Row number 33.
Yes, ma'am.
Close your notes. All of you close your notes. Notes कुणी ओपन ठेवायच्या नाहीत.
Ma'am, can I say?
Define solid state. 33.
No, ma'am.
34.
So it is a state in which molecules are compressible and it has the nut shape and volume.
35. What is liquid state?
Definite volume and shape and size are not fixed.
Liquid state. 36. Unmute your mic.
Liquid state does not have a specific shape and value.
Roll number 35. What is euteric mixtures?
Mixture of two or more compounds with usually that do not to form a new material, that do not form new compound to
Two solid components that produce a change of phase of liquid at certain temperature. It's called a euteric mixture. It is a mixture of two or more components that usually have lower melting point.
Okay. Define. Okay, tell me about the solubility expressions. According to percentage.
According to percentage, no? Percentage by Z by weight, Z by volume, and volume by volume.
Okay. You four, send your attendance in chat box and left now.
Thank you, ma'am.
Row number 36, 37, 38, and 39. Start your camera. Row number 36 to 39. Start your camera. Row number 37,
Yes, ma'am.
38. Where is row number 38? Row number 38. 39.
Yes, ma'am.
40.
Yes, ma'am.
Start your camera. Explain solubility expressions. चौघा जणांपैकी कोणी एकाने सांगायचे आहेत solubility expression. According to parts per minute, solute dissolved in solvent. According to parts per minute. Very soluble, freely soluble, त्यांचे parts per minute ppm सांगायचे आहेत. टर्म सांगा. According to percentage,
weight by volume आणि weight volume by volume.
okay, what is volume by volume?
1 gram of
in 100
solute.
milli of solvent solution.
Weight by weight,
Gram
1
of
gram of
solute
solute dissolved in 100
100 gram of
grams of
solution.
solution.
okay, what is molarity?
Number of mole of solute in 1000 gram of solvent.
What is molality?
Molality, number of moles of solute in 1000 gram of solute solvent.
Okay. Diffusion principle. Tell me anyone diffusion principle. Okay.
Passive process of transport.
What is active transport?
Single substance tends to move from one area of high high concentration to
Okay, all of you send your attendance. Okay, you four. Not all you four, send your attendance in chat box and left now. Roll number 42, 43, 44 and 45. Start your camera. Forty-two, your Viva is done. ऋतुजा,
yes ma'am.
Viva झाली ना तुमची?
No ma'am.
Okay, ठीक आहे. Where is 44?
Yes, ma'am.
Define pH.
pH is used for detector to acidity or basicity of liquids and
What is buffer?
Buffer reduce the pH.
What is eutectic mixtures?
the specific composition of at least two solid components that produce a change of phase to liquid at certain temperature.
States Raoult's law.
What, ma'am?
Raoult's law. What is the statement of Raoult's law?
It's stated that the partial pressure of each component of an ideal mixture of liquid is equal to the vapor pressure.
Roll number 43, what is molarity?
Number of mole of solute in 1 liter of solution.
45, what is molarity?
Molarity, number of moles of solute in
Okay, send your attendance in chat box and left now.
हॅलो मॅम
हम्म,
37 ला नेटवर्क प्रॉब्लेम होता मॅम.
ठीक आहे, तुम्ही कंटिन्यू राहा. स्टार्ट युअर कॅमेरा.
हा yes.
Send your attendance. Roll number 44, 45. Send your attendance. The 45 done. Where is 44? Okay, done.
हॅलो मॅडम.
46.
हॅलो मॅडम.
बोला.
मॅडम माझं राहिलं रोल नंबर 41.
Okay, start your camera. "46, 47, start your camera. Define solubility.
Solubility is
Solubility is defined
as ability of the one substance is fully dissolved in another.
What is molarity?
Molarity is defined as moles of the solute in 1 liter of the solution.
Okay, 10 with diffusion principle.
Spontaneous process of mass transfer of individual substance.
Tell me the solubility terms according to parts per minute.
Hello, ma'am.
Hmm.
Solubility terms parts per very soluble, freely soluble, soluble, sparingly soluble, slightly soluble, and very slightly soluble and insoluble.
Tell me the parts. How many parts are present?
First one very soluble, then less than 1 part. Freely soluble मध्ये 1 to 10 parts. Soluble मध्ये 10 to 30 parts. Sparingly soluble मध्ये 30 to 100 parts. Slightly soluble मध्ये 100 to 1000 parts. Very slightly soluble मध्ये 1000 to 10,000 parts, and insoluble मध्ये more than 10,000 parts.
Roll number 37. What is solid state?
So substances which which have definite shape, size, and volume.
All of you send your attendance in chat box and left now. Roll number 48, 49, and 15. Start your camera. Roll number 48, 49, and 15. Roll number 50. Start your camera. Where is roll number 48?
Yes, ma'am.
49? 50?
Yes, ma'am.
Rashna, start your camera.
Yes, ma'am.
Define solid state.
Solid have definite shape but not the definite volume but not definite shape and size.
Aarti, what is solid state?
Solid state defines size, shape, and value.
आवाज येत नाही आरती. हेडफोन नीट पकडा.
Hello.
हाँ आता बोला. Define solid state.
Solid state is defined fixed size, shape, and value.
Rutuja, what is liquid state?
Yes, ma'am.
What is liquid state?
Liquid state. It has a definite volume, but do not shape and size.
What is gaseous state?
Gaseous state. Substance which have shape, size, and volume do not fixed.
Volume fixed.
Yes, volume fixed. Sorry.
Fixed.
Okay. What is dielectric constant? Tell me the factors affecting solubility.
Molecular size, particle size, temperature, pressure.
Okay, all of you send your attendance in chat box and left now. Roll number 51, 52, 53, and 54. Start your camera. Roll number 51, 52.
Yes, ma'am.
51, where is 51? Where is 53? Start your camera. Define solvent.
Solvent. It is a component in which solute is dissolved.
Define solute. 51. Define solute. Define solute.
The substance usually present in the lesser amount and get dissolved in the solution.
53. 50. Start your camera. Sorry, not a 50. 51. Okay. 54. Where is 54? Vaishnavi, start your camera.
Yes, ma'am.
Don't close your camera. Okay.
Okay.
Define solid state.
Cool.
51. Define liquid state. Define gaseous state. Okay.
The solid state in which substance that tendency flow under stress and restrict force. It and remain indefinite size and shape is called a solid state.
Okay. Roll number 53, 51. Define gaseous state.
The substance which has a definite volume but don't have definite shape and size.
Okay. 51. Define solubility. Define solubility. Okay. All of you. Okay, all of 4. Send your attendance in chat box and left now. Roll number 55,
Okay, ma'am.
56, 57, and 58. Start your camera.
Yes, ma'am.
Start your camera. Define solubility.
Solubility is the ability of one substance of fully dissolved into another substance under specific conditions.
Define solid state.
The substance which having definite shape, size, and volume.
Liquid state.
Liquid state, it has a definite volume, but shape and size is not fixed.
The gaseous state.
It does not have a definite shape, size, and volume.
Tell me the diffusion principle. आवाज येत नाही. Your voice is not audible.
The spontaneous process of transfer of individual molecules of substance.
Define molarity. 55.
Molarity, number of moles of solute of 1 liter of solute.
7. Molality.
Number of moles of solute in 1000 gram of solute.
57. Tushar. What is eutectic mixture?
Ma'am.
You send your attendance in chat box and left now. From number 59, 60, 61, 62. Start your camera. 60, 61, 62.
Ma'am.
Roll number 58, Sania Sheikh.
येस मॅम सेंड केले.
Okay. Where is 61? Start your camera, 61. Define dielectric constant.
The ability of substance to store electrical energy in a electrical field is called dielectric constant.
62. What is the refractive index?
Refractive index is the ratio of velocity of light in empty space divided upon velocity of light in a selective medium.
Define dipole movement. Define solubility.
The ability of one substance dissolve in another substance at a
Concentration of substances that dissolve in given amount of solvent at certain temperature to form a homogeneous solution is called as solubility.
Along this, send your attendance in chat box and left now. Roll number 62.
Yes, ma'am.
बाबा झाली का हर्षाली?
हो मॅम आताच झाली.
ओके. अटेंडन्स सेंड करा तुमची. Roll number 63, 64, 65 and 66. Start your camera.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon.
मॅम डायरेक्ट सेकंड इयर आहे 4th आणि 5th युनिटचं केलंय.
Okay. No problem. 4th and 5th unit na? Define complexation.
हा. Association between one or
Ma'am,
more
63 ला
to form a non-bonded entity with well-defined stereochemistry.
Okay. Pooja, you can wait now. हा बोला.
मॅम 63 ला फर्स्ट अँड सेकंड युनिट सांगितलेलं आहे.
63.
DSY नाहीये मॅम आम्ही.
ओके. DSY कुठून स्टार्ट होत आहे?
65 पासून.
65. ओके. पहिल्या युनिट मधलं काय काय वाचलंय सांगा तुम्ही. Define solubility.
Solubility is the ability of a substance to get properly dissolved into other substance in certain conditions.
What is eutectic mixture?
Eutectic mixture is the mixture of two or more components which do not react with each other, but in certain conditions they form a complex which have lower melting point.
DSY.
Yes, ma'am.
DSY मध्ये कोण कोण आहे सांगा जरा.
66 and 65.
Okay, 64.
Yes, ma'am.
Define solid state.
Solid, it is the substance which have definite shape and volume.
Define liquid state.
The substance which have definite volume but do not definite shape.
Okay. Send Roll number 65, Shinde. 65, Shinde.
Yes, ma'am.
Define protein binding.
काय madam?
Define protein binding.
No, ma'am.
What is pH?
pH is a
Roll number 63, start your camera.
Substance which resists the change in pH.
Okay. You 4 left now and send your attendance in chat box. Roll number 67, 68, 69 and 70, start your camera. Roll number 67.
Yes, madam.
Start your camera. 69. Roll number 69. Roll number 70. Start your camera.
Yes, ma'am.
तुम्ही सगळे DSY आहेत ना?
Yes, madam.
Okay. Tell me the pH determination methods.
pH determination method. There are two methods: electrometric methods and calorimetric methods.
Okay, in electrometric method,
In electrometric method, there is glass electrode is used, and glass electrode is made up of a special type of a composition,
which is sensitive to pH.
your voice is not clear. In case of calorimetric method, which electrode used in calorimetric method?
reference electrode, calorimeter.
Calomel.
Define protein binding.
It is the ability of drug to bind a protein.
Define pH.
Negative logarithm of hydrogen ion concentration.
Buffer.
Buffer is the solution which cannot resist the change in pH.
Which cannot or which can resist?
Which can resist change in pH.
Change in pH.
What are the applications of buffer?
Buffer,
Solid dosage form, semi-solid preparation, and parental preparation.
Can I, ma'am?
Huh. Your voice is not audible. Unmute. Unmute yourself.
Yes, I'm audible.
Huh.
In the parental preparation, semi-solid preparation used in creams and ointments, and also used to preparing tablet capsules and powders also.
Okay. Send your attendance in chat box and left now.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Roll number 71, 72, 73 and 74. Start your camera.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
73, start your camera. $73. Start your camera. 71, 72, 73, and 74. What is DSY na?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, define complexation.
Association between one or more molecules to form a non-bonded entity, well defined as stoichiochemistry.
Okay, Parth, classify the complexation.
Methods of continuous verification, distillation method, solubility method, and pH filtration method.
Wait. Define, sorry, complexation. Okay. Classify complexation.
Ma'am, there are three types. There are three types. First, metal complexes, occlusion complexes, and organic molecule complexes.
Okay. In case of metal complexes, there are subtypes. Tell me the subtypes of metal complexes.
Coordinate number. Chelates.
Inorganic type, chelates.
Aromatic type and olefin type.
Explain the olefin type. Explain olefin type. Okay, define pH.
It is a negative logarithm of hydrogen in concentration.
Define buffer.
Buffer is
a solution which can change resist change in pH when acid or alkali added.
Send your row number 75, 76, 77. Start your camera. DSY आहे ना तुम्ही?
Hi. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Define complexation.
A complexation association between one or more molecule to form a non-bonded entity with well-defined stoichiochemistry.
Okay. Define pH.
It is the negative logarithm of hydrogen ion.
Buffer. Define buffer.
Buffers are the solution which can resist changes in pH when acid or alkali added.
Tell me the applications of buffer.
There are three applications of buffer. First, solid dosage form. Second is semi-solid formulations, and third is parental products.
77. आवाज येतोय का?
Yes, ma'am. येतोय ना.
Define buffer.
Buffer is the use for resisting the pH and resist the pH in added alkali and acid.
Okay, send your attendance in chat box and left now.
Okay, ma'am.
Roll number 43. Roll number 43. Roll number 43.
मॅम ती नाहीये.
ओके ठीक आहे. कोणाची वायवा राहिली आहे का? प्रेझेंट स्टुडंट पैकी कोणाची वायवा राहिली आहे का? ठीक आहे. सिनॉप्सिस स्टार्ट करा. सिनॉप्सिस आज सबमिट करा. ठीक आहे. सिनॉप्सिस लिहा आणि गुगल क्लासरूम वरती अपलोड करा. मी क्रिएट करते इकडून.
मॅम टायमिंग काय?
अर्धा तास आहे. आता 4:15 झाले. 4:30 ते 5 लिहा.
ओके मॅम, चालतं.
ठीक आहे.